Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Kiwi Ears Division and this is a budget headphone. Its price is only 49 US dollar, and I want to say that this is my first ever product from Kiwi Ears and I'm very interested to try it. And well, I was surprised to see the quality of this headphone. I mean the build quality. I was not expecting it to be that good, and it is a very different looking headphone because of these cups. Well, I haven't seen this kind of cups before, but the headphone build quality is very excellent. You can see the headband is also very soft, and it is adjustable as well, and the quality is very good. You can clearly see. So they are easily adjustable as well, and they look pretty good and normal as well. I think this is first ever headphone from Kiwi Ears if I'm not wrong, and this is also a very budget headphone, so I hope it does sound good, and then I will recommend it also. It's available on AliExpress, and you can see that now its price is just 47 US dollar. So I am very interested to try it, and then I will share my opinions with you guys. And you can see that you get two cables and a big headphone jack and a user manual as well. And the box is pretty minimalistic, very short box, but that's fine. I hope it does sound good, so I will try it, and maybe after 3 or 5 days I will review it and will share my opinions with you guys. Thank you. Welcome to my review section, friends. So finally I am going to review Kiwi Ears Division. I have done its proper testing as I have used it for more than 2 weeks. I've been listening to different types of music, movies, news and podcasts, etc. And now I'll share my proper honest opinion with you guys. I really like these headphones. I enjoyed my time with them. It was a little different experience. Let's move on to its technical review. Bass is good performance wise, especially the sub bass is fantastic here in my opinion. The bass, which is direct, has less depth than the sub bass. The sub bass has more depth and is very composed and controlled. The bass does not spread widely and doesn't have detail in it, but one thing is for sure, it is very enjoyable. If I were to review its bass based on technical performance, I will give it 4 stars. But if I judge it as a budget headphone and knowing this is Kiwi Ear's first headphone, I'll give it 5 stars. Vocals are also not much forward in the music. Vocals are like acoustic or in studio with smoky background, but vocals are clear and transparent with no extra sharpness or textures. They are natural but sometimes feel muddy also. Basically, you don't feel the vocals directed to you even when they are close to you. This is the main point you need to understand. It's a different kind of experience and vibe, but I really enjoyed this experience. As far as treble is concerned, it is also very balanced and controlled. So this was all its technical performance, which was really impressive. Good news is that you have also been given a microphone, so let's test the quality of its microphone. So the sound you're hearing right now is coming directly from the microphone attached to the cables of Kiwi Ears Division headphone. So what do you think about its microphone quality? I think it's really good, clear vocals and sharp sound, very transparent to hear. I would rate it 8 out of 10. This is good for gaming as well. This is where my review ends. I hope I have shared everything that was known to me. Now it's time for recommendation. You may know it already that I didn't find anything negative here. Everything is perfect. The build quality, fit and comfort level to its sound quality. So I will give it 5 stars and I recommend it. The official price of this headphone is 50 US dollar, but you can get them for 45 on AliExpress or even less than that when it's on sale. For example, right now it's on sale and its price is just 39.20 US dollar. If you use the additional discount codes which are provided in the description. You can get them more cheaply as well. So never miss out this product when it's on sale. And the discount codes which are provided in the description are valid for all the products on AliExpress in almost countries. So must use these discount codes and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Be happy.